Cheers, bro.
That is a solid one, and not the kind that comes from places we don't want to discuss. Hello, and welcome to
Seb's unboxing.
rollacy boxings. No.
Kezia Sadako.
So what we've got here, I know what it is. Cameraman Mr. Andros doesn't know what it is. So what this is something that I know and he don't know.
Oh yeah.
What we have here is a MIDI controller with 8 different faders, all of them going up, down, and a few buttons.
I've actually got one of those.
You have this already? This exact one?
Yep.
Oh.
Not exact one. That's a different one. That's cool.
Well, there goes the surprise factor. And then we've got one that goes left, right.
Yeah, SS.
The idea that... Oh, well, it's on this side. That's where I was pointing at.
What are we pointing at?
It's pointing at that, but on the other side.
Oh, there's the slider.
Yeah.
Slider. And you got a little knobby wheel. I don't have a knobby wheel on mine. I just have the little fades.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get into it. That's cool. That's real nice. Solid. Alright, so what does it have? How do we plug it in? Where is the plug?
Take it out of the packet and show the people.
Weighted, not too bad. It's I'm not good at describing, but it's got a bit of a wobble. I don't know why. I waited quite a long time for this. Bit of a what would you call that, Andy? Where you twist this?
It has notches.
Yeah, knots.
So you
That's
twist
what
it.
I mean.
Has...
Alright, so
what do you do with these? What do you do with them? What are we doing with these?
what's the idea? We have...
What's that?
That's a good
catch.
That's a good catch. Solid. We got this little USB cable. The essentials. What does that mean to everyone who's scratching their heads? That means there's none of these buggers going around in my computer over there that we see. Luckily, we got one of these. USB hub that converts this to that. Okay, so that's plugged in. Down for me, but I'll put it right side up for you. So right now I am just assigning all of the MIDI, getting into the nitty-gritty of the MIDI. I'll first press this to go that way. When I press this button, it'll light up like that, and it'll start because I assigned it to the player. Thank you so much for watching. Had a great time making this video. Hope you had a great time watching it, and have a good night or day or morning or evening.